how to enable or disable private browsing on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll show you how you can enable or disable private browsing on both your Safari and Google Chrome on iPhone. So let's dive right in. Let's start with Safari. Open up your Safari app, and then you can see the tab icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you'll find the private option. Tap on it, and from here you can start your private browsing. Now I'll teach for Google Chrome as well. Come back and then open up your Google Chrome and then go to the tab icon again, and up there you will see incognito sign, that is two goggles and hat. Tap on it, and here you can privately browse in your incognito tab. It's as simple as that for both Google Chrome and Safari. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.